Substance abuse, substance abuse. M down, F you, F you. It was 4 down and 2 though. They get a rocker, you know. Who ho? I shine like a U-blow. It's Leroy with the new glow. Fuck my old bitch, I need a new hoe. And 26 is on the cat. Oh no.
Fuck you been at, man? You hear me? That fucking camera on, man. Get that camera on, man. Sleeping on the nigga, man. Cause nigga, I been in this house all day, from the stove to the zinc, whipping up that Paul cake. Pass me the scale and the bags and the razor. School of hard knocks, economics is my major. Hit me on my two-way, half you niggas on it, you want it? Yeah, I'm from New Orleans, don't holler if you phony. Me and my niggas hungry, and I ain't play ball for the Pistons, but I had to get my bills up like Chauncey. Fuck boys thinking I'm homie. My army swarm me, puffin' Barney with enough clips and shells to kill a little army. Air 'em out like laundry, pour 'em out like Don P. No peace, no guarantee, nigga. Wake up, man. You there? Where you going, man? Get that motherfucking camera right here, man. Check me out, look. Cause, nigga, I'm super high. Jimmy Snooker super fly. You can play stupid. Big Mac clip super size. This not Smallville. You are not the super guy. Life's a movie. At the end, even the shooters die. So I just play my part. I stay away from the knocks. I'm so bright, I spit light in the dough. UFO fitted. Brim on my nose, keeping my eyes hitting. Designer jeans, white tee, keep that iron hitting. And I be smoking and drinking. I be acting the aimless, cause my goons act a ass with the stainless. Picture is painted, call me Picasso. I dump cheese on a nigga head like nachos. I'm probably by my nigga Jizzle getting my eyes low. I swam from the streets of New Orleans like potholes, God knows. These niggas looking like 5-0. One shot to his neck, tell him to die slow, be easy, nigga.